Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to make your own garri in your kitchen. Let's dive into it. This is the cassava I'm using to make this garri. Don't forget, garri is made from cassava. Cut the cassava into smaller pieces. Then I'm gonna peel and wash them. I was just coming back from work today. I said, let me pass through my shopping mall. Let's see if I can get one or two things to take home. I just saw this cassava. So looking good cassava. Let's just buy one of it. I'll teach you guys how to make your own garri. So, cut it even smaller. Add a little bit of water and blend. Help my blender. Blend it real smooth. That is it. If you like white garri, you don't like yellow garri, you don't have to add palm oil to yours. So I'm doing yellow garri, that's why I'm adding palm oil. Little bit of palm oil, mix it really good, then you just bag it. You can use rice bag, you can use salt bag as well to drain out the water, the liquid. That's the starch. Pour it in the bag, tie it really good, and make sure your bag don't has holes so that it don't leak out. You see that water under? If you let that settle, that you can swear it as starch. Just put an heavy object on top and drain the water, let it stay overnight. So this is my cassava. Oh, it's really long time I did this. I did this when I was maybe, the last time I fried garri was maybe 18 years before I entered school, yeah. So now I'm going to filter it. I tried to use the other sieve, that did not work, so I just changed it. That is it. Now I heat up my pan, then I'm going to fry it. Garri is very easy to fry. Use a wooden spatula. You can use the calabash as well to do it. The calabash to fry garri, I don't have that, so I'm using my wooden spatula. See, my garri is ready. Wow, I'm so proud of myself. I can still do this. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys will try this. This came out so nice.